Hello everyone, we'll be taking the paper and then draw the lines with the yellow color like this and with the blue color as well. Draw different color lines and put the water over it. You can choose colors as per your choice. Now put the water on each line so that it gets spread. Now draw the patterns and lines inside it with the black marker like this. Now draw the lines as shown in the video and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be making the branches of the tree like this. So first take a white sheet and mix the color in the water and put it like this and then spread it with the help of the straw. So in this way, we'll be making the branches. Now we'll be taking earbuds and tie them together. Now put the red and white color and then mix them and make the leaves of the tree like this. Now make the leaves as shown in the video and decorate the tree. Now using different colors, we'll be putting the dots. So watch it how we are mixing the colors and which color we are mixing, and then using the sponge make the grasses like this, and then you have to make the flowers or a girl sitting near the tree like this. Make a bunny as shown in the video and your painting is done. Next, we'll be taking a black sheet and then we'll be drawing the Santa Claus using the markers like this. So fill the color inside it, give the finishing touch as shown in the video. Now we have to cut them out. Now paste it over the black one. Now we have to take a white sheet and then sprinkle the sides of it like this and it's done. I hope you liked it. Decorate it with the snowflakes on the sides and you are good to go. Next, we'll be taking a clay like this and then spread it over the white sheet with the fingers. So take a purple color clay and then we have to put the blue color as well in the same manner. Put the blue color clay like this. Put the green, orange, and now we have to fix the peacock of the blue color in the between. Make its eyes and beak like this. Draw its legs. Now take another blue color clay and then fix it on the head to make its crown like this. And your peacock is ready. Don't forget to make some grasses under it. Next, we'll be taking some leaves like this, and then after that you have to cut them like this, or just first paste them over the sheets and then we'll be cutting out the extra parts out of it. So after pasting it, remove the extra part by cutting it with the scissor. Now after that, we'll be taking a white sheet and tear it in the shape of a mountains and then put it over the white sheet and sprinkle some pencil dust or blue color and then spread it like this. Now make some birds on the sky and it's done. Next, we'll be putting the yellow color with the help of a sponge on a blue sheet and make the stems and leaves with the green marker like this. Draw the leaves as shown in the video, decorate it. Put the yellow color dots with the earbuds like this as we are making. Now to make the flowers and leaves like this, we'll be putting the dots very carefully. Put some green color with the help of a sponge to make the grasses and decorate it further. Give it a finishing touch like this. Make some clouds on the top and it's ready. You can make some butterflies and honeybees near it and it's done. Next, we'll be taking orange color paper and then we'll be cutting it out like this in the spiral way. So now after cutting them out, we'll be folding it like this to make the flowers. Keep rolling it. Take different color papers to make the flowers like this. Roll them one by one. Now take a brown color paper, fold it to make a flower vase. Cut it and give it a texture like this. Fold it and give it a patterns. Now fix the flowers over it, paste them one by one and your flower vase is almost ready. I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching our video.